Well, looks like the indicator's having some issues. Okay then. It is on floor up down. Oh, listen to that thing. Oh, hello. Oh, whoa. This is cool. Alright, go down. This is kind of fucking cool. Either P2's burnt out or we're going to both, or it's locked. Ooh. I gotta pee. $91. Oh, it's P1. I'm fucking dumb. Let's see if we actually go down. Oh yeah, it's just burnt out. This is cool though. I like this thing. So they only could afford a flashy. Oh, never mind. It's on both sides. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. That's where the old indicator used to be, I'm guessing. Hello. Oh yes, what a view. Oh boy. Oh, going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
3, please.
I got you.
I saw you walking down the street. What the hell is that?
That's an elevator indicator. I collect elevator parts.
Oh, you do?
Yep. I also like elevators. That's why I'm filming.
Okay.
We all got our hobbies.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. All right.
Take care. Oh, nice. You got a mirror. Yeah. Look at this thing on my back. Look at that. I got an old Otis PI. Bring it on up to 3, or we'll watch it go to 3. So here, do I make it? Yeah, I make it. Ain't that something? Alright, that's it.